Hello and welcome to this tutorial on updating the speaker library and preset library for the NT4-K6 and NT4-DSP. It's important to know that this process will overwrite any presets that you have in your device, so if you need to keep those, please contact us before performing this procedure. You will receive a zip file from us, put that on your desktop, and unpack it. From that, you'll get two folders, NT4-DSP and NT4-K6. Simply copy those to your clipboard, and we're going to put them in your Netcontrol folder. That should be located on your C drive. It could be under Program x86. It could be simply on the C drive, or if you have done a custom installation somewhere else. Simply highlight those two folders, the NT4-DSP and NT4-K6, and paste over them. Close the window, and then we're going to open Netcontrol 2. When Netcontrol 2 is open, scan for devices. There are two ways to do this. We can scan within a selected IP range, or we can use autoscan. In this situation, we'll use autoscan. It's showing us that there are two devices on our system. We're going to add both of those by add all. And it indicates to us that one or more devices needs preset, speaker, or firmware update. We're going to update those. Here you see the two devices that we have on our network. The red indicates that they're ready for an update. We're going to select both so we can do them parallel. And go down and select speaker. This will update the speaker library. This will take a few seconds. Now we'll go back and select those again and update the preset library. If there were to be any failures or problems in this process, the software would indicate it on this window. Okay, it's complete. So we're going to close this. Close the update window. We're going to go to Interfaces and remove all devices. This is showing us that there have been changes made on those devices. That's fine. That's what we want. So we're going to close that. We will now rescan again. Add all. And the last thing we need to do is select each DSP individually and change the preset to initial and load. And that completes the process. If you have any difficulties in doing this, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll help you through it. Thank you very much.